Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to tag someone on Facebook. It could be by uploading a story or a post. First up here in story, I'm going to tap on add a story right here. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to add in this photo. Now to be able to tag people, as you can see right here at the right pane, you'll be able to see tag people at the very bottom. So go ahead and tap on it. Now in here, you'll be able to tag yourself or different people. All right. If you can't see the person right here, just go ahead and click on search bar or tap on it and type in the person's name. For example, this one right here. All right. Once that's done, once you see the person, just go ahead and tap on it and hit on done. All right. As you can see here, the person's name will be tagged in here in your story. Just go ahead and hit on share and he or she will receive a notification that you tagged them. All right. Another way is by posting, which is right here. Tap on what's on your mind. For example, sample right here, sample post. All right. For example, I'm going to add in some letters right here. Now to be able to tag a person, just go ahead and tap on right here. Besides the photo icon, tap on the tag icon. Tap on it. Now in here with the same set of steps, if you can't see the person right here, just go ahead and use the search bar. Then just tap on the tick box. As you can see, this person is selected. I'm just going to go ahead and go back. Tap. And here, as you can see, I've just tagged a person. Do keep in mind that you can tag multiple people. All right, once that's done, just hit on post and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.